Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 and 10 slow startup problems. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all right click and go to your task manager. After doing this, that open it and click on a startup option, and after that disable those apps which you are not required on startup. Select it and click on disable. So after that close it, and I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your control panel, search on a control panel, go to your control panel, and after doing this, that go to your system and security, and after doing this, that go to your power options, click on power options, and after doing this, that choose what the power button do. And after doing this, that now I have already turned on is a fast startup recommendations. But if you're not selected, then click on change settings that are country unavailable, and select it and click on save button. So I have already selected, click on select and click on save changing. After that, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type msconfig.msc. Now type msconfig.msc and open a system configuration. After opening that, go to your services, and after that select hide all Microsoft services, because it's very important for your window. So select it, and after that click on disable all, click on apply and OK button. And after doing this, that restart required, and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.